this video, you'll find out how to replace the O-ring on the brewing group of your WMF 1100S. Switch the machine off. First, remove the grounds container, the drip tray and the collection tray from the machine. The brewing group is positioned horizontally in the machine. Feel for the retaining catch with your hand. Release the retaining catch by pulling the slider on the brewing group towards you. Keep hold of the slider. Guide the brewing group downwards as far as possible and carefully take it out of the machine. Using the multi-tool supplied, rotate the brewing head upwards. Next, unhook the springs from the chute so that the chute can be folded down. Use a brush to clean the brewing group if necessary. Using your thumb and forefinger, press the O-ring together, slide it upwards slightly and remove. Make sure that the recess the O-ring sits in is clean, or clean it if necessary. Then slide the new O-ring into position. Before installing the brewing group, you must hook the springs back onto the chute and then return the brewing head to its initial position using the multi-tool. To reinstall the brewing group, guide it into the machine, keeping a firm hold on the retaining catch as you do so. Please make sure that you guide the brewing group as far as possible along the machine base to its initial position so that the retaining catch can latch into place. Finally, return the collecting tray, the drip tray and the grounds container. Your WMF 1100S is now ready for use once more.